How to find sound settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sound settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines, and then click settings and privacy, and now just scroll down until you find this one, accessibility settings, and then just click here. Here you will find it, sound settings, and as you see here you can manage auto volume adjustment, and that's how to find that, and just manage anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.